You believe you're not enough. You have low self-esteem. Where's your confidence, girl? Why you gotta be your worst enemy? Just stop.
Ain't nobody got time for this.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today is Monday and I am about to keep this short and sweet. So this week I am gonna do another challenge of the sorts, and I am going to do a HIIT workout, high intensity interval training workout by the woman named Pamela Reif. This video is 15 minutes. You don't need equipment. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. I'm going to be doing it right here in my room, and I'm going to do it every single day this week and see what the results are going to be at the end. You guys know I'm all results driven, and make sure you guys, drink your water. Make sure you eat well throughout the week, because eating healthy is 80% of the battle when it comes to losing weight and getting in the best shape of your life. And that's what I want to see for once in my life. I have never seen my abs, so we're about to do this. Let's go.
You get me.
Do you see me? Like, there's a drop about to fall right here. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys. And it was not even like high speed workouts. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's just like controlled movements that target your entire body. Now I'm more excited than I was when I first started, just to see what my results are gonna be at the end of this week. Like, do you see me? Like, so it is now Wednesday, and there's something that has been on my mind that I feel like I need to say it. First things first, when it comes to a weight loss journey, it is tough. We all know this. Don't make it harder for yourself by talking down on yourself. And this is a huge note to self. I think I talk bad about myself almost every single day, but in order to achieve the goals and the dreams and the desires that you have for yourself, you have to live as though it's already yours, because it is. It is something that your mind needs to be there before your body reaches there. If you believe and you manifest it, and you speak life into the aspirations and the desires of your heart, then look, it will not be impossible. It's going to take a little bit of elbow grease and work to get there, but do it, y'all. Talking down on yourself, who is that going to do good for? It is not going to do anybody good. I feel like I'm annoying to a lot of people whenever I mention, like, I feel so big, I feel so this, I feel so that, I feel depressed, oh man, I gained weight, whatever, I just don't look or feel good. And do something about it. finished Wednesday's workout. I'll have more to do today. So, my friend Shay and I, we're gonna go out walking again. I don't know how long we're gonna walk for. We're just gonna go meet up and we're just gonna do our thing. I do love the outdoors and I'm excited of just going outside again. So that's gonna happen in a few hours. I haven't slept. I came home from work. I still haven't slept. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take a nap before I gotta go. Shower, take a nap, and then we do this all over again. I am now. I am. So this is a nice. Yes. Hi, it's on us.
I'm in the video.
You are in the video.
Look how fast we're going.
We were not just walking.
We're jogging.
They always say beauty is pain. They never say beauty is patience, love, peace, and all of that. So it is Thursday. Let's get it. What you guys just saw, I just did my HIIT workout for the day, and I felt like I'm limiting myself by just doing 15 minutes, and I feel like my body can do more. So I went ahead and did an extra 2 miles on my spin bike, and yeah, that's my workout for today. 2 miles. So it's Friday, and I can't lie to you guys, I'm smiling, but I'm feeling super unmotivated. This entire week has been a series of cravings for me, feeling hungrier than usual, and just tired, and but anyhow, let's jump right into it. So we're at 193.5. Please ignore my toes. Guys, this feels like a defeat for sure. I'm not excited about it. I don't take this as a failure though. Like, I feel defeated, I feel deflated. But this is not a failure because I know I'm not quitting. I know I'm not stopping here. I heard somebody said on TikTok, this lady, she was saying that, you know, if you see failure as failure, then you've already failed twice. So that's what we're not gonna do. We're gonna use this as momentum and use this as fuel to push ourselves. And I'm gonna say this right now, don't come for me, but next week, my goal is to be 185. Like, I'm claiming that already. By the time you guys see me again, 185 is the number. Okay, so stay tuned, stay with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming this far. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good jazz. So see y'all in the next one.
So much.